Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use your webcam in Streamlabs OBS. Adding your webcam to your stream gives it a personal touch and helps your audience connect with you in real time. Let's get started. First, open Streamlabs OBS and go to the Sources section. Click the plus button to add a new source. From the list, choose Video Capture Device. This is what you'll use to display video from your webcam, capture card, or any other external video source. Then click Add Source. Now you can name your source. You can leave it as Video Capture Device, or rename it to something like Webcam. Totally up to you. Once you're done, click Add Source again. And just like that, you should see yourself on the screen. Now click Close to exit the settings window. If you're camera shy like me, you can always hide the webcam source by clicking the little eye icon. Otherwise, feel free to resize and reposition your webcam wherever you'd like on your screen. For example, I'll drag it to the bottom left corner and resize it by clicking and dragging the edges. That's it. You've successfully added your webcam to your Streamlabs OBS setup. Pro tip: if you want to take your stream quality to the next level, consider upgrading to Streamlabs Ultra. It gives you access to premium overlays, widgets, multi-streaming, and more, and you can save up to $10 instantly using the link in the description or pinned comment. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for more streaming tips. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.